Welcome! It is another beautiful day and good to have you here again. Time to talk about American Battery Metals Corporation. And to inform you, this is the follow-up of the previous discussion about the company. And I strongly recommend that you watch the video later. You will see the clip at the end of this video. Okay, now, you see Abml, which is the ticker symbol of the company. It's a battery metal exploration and mining company based in Nevada in the States. The company primary objective is in creating vertical integrated business sector, namely environmental sustainable exploration and mining, green extraction process, and battery metal recycling. Stay tuned for more news on the recent company development. I'm sure you will like it. Okay, now this is for financial education purposes, so thank you. Grab your copper and then subscribe. And perhaps you'd like to know what made this company unique. Well, simple. The business model I mentioned earlier, some few minutes ago, I believe will give you an insight into the company objectives or mission, if you like. You see, in effect, the company has a unique business moat. Besides, it also has a competitive advantage because of the methodology it deploys in processing the battery. More so, because the company is a pioneer in this business sector. That said, in the latest development, American Battery Metal Corporation files an application to list on the Nasdaq stock market. Okay. Well, you will agree with me that the idea of taking the company public is a good direction. However, please note, the company announced to have submitted a formal application to list its common shares on the Nasdaq stock market. However, market acceptance for listing the company share is subject to approval based on several factors, including satisfaction of minimum listing requirement for the Nasdaq. Meanwhile, I find this very interesting. Listen to this, and I quote: the company intends to satisfy all of the applicable listing requirements. What does it mean? Well, it means they are serious and the company is more or less very ready to take the company public. Okay, now let us examine the benefit of going public. Okay. Now let us hear from Cole, the chairman and the CEO of American Battery Metals Corporation, who said recently, and I quote: "We believe listing our common stock on the Nasdaq will improve liquidity, increase our corporate visibility in the financial market, and create shareholders' value." Speaking further, he said, "We believe that listing on the Nasdaq is a natural progression for the company and our shareholders." End quote. In my opinion, the listing will attract more investors' interest. And please note, the company ticker symbol will change after the listing to, say, ABTC. And in another development, on May 13, 2021, the company received approval from the City of Financial Planning Commission for a conditional use permit for a lithium battery recycling plant. The approval for the construction to build a battery metal recycling plant is a very much needed catalyst to enhance the company vision. Moving on, let us look at the company stock price and have a look at the chart. All right, what do we have here? We see for some time the stock, I will not say it's not doing fine, but rather consolidating, meaning there's no particular direction where the moving average is going. You can see from here to here. Now, what do we have here? We have things have changed. We have the 20 moving average crossing the 15 moving average, then on the upward trend. What do we have again? We have the candle telling us we are ready for a bull run. In my opinion, this is a buy. Given the potential of this company, let me break it down. You see, this company has positioned itself to be a problem solver. What do I mean? We are now in the age of more or less EV. Gasoline is gradually being phased out, and if you can't use batteries, well, that's a problem. What's the problem? There's going to be a lot of lithium battery. Somebody needs to take the responsibility of recycling this battery. Now, Abml has positioned itself to be the company responsible for this. What do you think? In my opinion, they are set out to resolve a particular problem, if you like, that is potentially there. And I'm seeing this company stock going up. Now, look at this price. This is a very, very good price. Given the potential of this company. Is it a buy for me? Yes. Please do your research. Now, here comes the best part. Subscribe, like, and comment. Remember, our target is 500 subscribers. And the goal is to generate wealth, build companies, and then create jobs. Bye now. See you soon.